What you saw today was the trial of the century, the trial of the Big Bad Wolf, and it is a program that originated in Corpus Christi. I think probably for the first time, maybe 3 or 4 years, or at least that's when I saw it. And at that point I knew we have to bring that to the Valley because it was just so cool and the kids were so excited. And so it's kind of been a work in progress. And this year the stars aligned and everything fell into place with his schedule, our schedule. And so that's how we got started. It was designed to and geared towards 2nd and 3rd graders so that they could come in, and what you saw today was the 2nd and 3rd graders actually tried the case. They were the judge, they were the jury, they were the sketch artists, all of that. And it's designed to teach them a little bit about the justice system, but also a little bit about jury trials, why they're important. That's the mission, is to just kind of educate them and let them know that jury trials are a good thing and that the civil justice system is here for them.